In this video I am showing you how you can use a stay home sticker on Instagram story. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app and then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner, and then you have to go to the story tab and then you can choose any of the photo from the gallery. So let's see, I choose this photo, and after that tap on the sticker icons in the top, and then here you can scroll down and then find the stay home sticker. Tap on the stay home sticker and then you can resize it, and you can also change these themes of this, change the style of this stay home sticker by tapping on this. Here you can see it is changing. You can resize it, you can put it anywhere that you want, you can replace it, and then you can share it to your story. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that's, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.